It's Black Friday, which is a fantastic time of year if you're after a great deal on action camera mounts and accessories. And in this video, we're going to show you 5 great action camera deals that you ought to check out. Welcome to the channel. My name is Adventure Tim, and on this channel we review action cameras like GoPros and DJI Osmo Action 5 Pros, and we show you tips and tricks and ways that you can get the most out of using your action camera. If that sounds like your bag, hey, why not hit the notification bell and the subscribe button to stay up to date with all the news and views from the world of action cameras. All right, so deal number 1 we've got for you today is this U-shaped magnetic neck mount. All right, so the first deal we've got for you today is this U-shaped magnetic neck holder mount max from the good people at Telesin. This Black Friday season is going for 25% off, which brings it to around about $30. It's got a silicone outer, and inside it's got a stainless steel tube with mixed with some aluminium in there as well, so it's nice and rigid. It's great for using when you're taking POV footage. You can easily move it around. You can also, there's also accessories which come with the kit, which mean you can put your smartphone in here as well, or even an SLR. We're going to do a full review of this neck mount in coming weeks, but right now during this Black Friday season, it's 25% off, and it's a deal that I think you should definitely check out. Okay, the second great Black Friday deal I've got for you is also from Telesin, and it's this Telesin 360 rotation suction cup mount. Now what this is, you can actually attach this to the windshield of your car or even the side of your car with this super awesome suction here, and that sticks on any clean flat surface. But the thing I really like about it is if you loosen this knob here on the side, you can see how we've actually got 2 ball joints, so you can maneuver this, maneuver your camera if it's attached, like in the case I've got here my GoPro, a full 360 degrees, and when you're happy with the right setting, you can just tighten it. Now I've got a full review of this awesome mount coming up shortly, but this Black Friday it's going for 25% off as well, so you can get this for around about $30, which is a great deal. All right, the next great deal we've got is from Telesin as well. This is their portable storage bag, although it's actually more like a case. It's waterproof, it's scratch proof, it's got soft velvety liner which protects your precious camera gear, and I like it so much I've actually bought 2 of them. This weekend, or this Black Friday, it's going for 25% off, which means you can get it for around about $20. Did a review of this product a few months ago. I'll put the link in the description down below so you can check it out. But yeah, that's a stunning deal if you want to keep all your precious GoPro or DJI Osmo Action Pro, or perhaps your Insta360 gear nice and safe. I would definitely recommend getting this case from Telesin. If you're interested in any of the Telesin products that we have displayed here on this channel today, if you click on the link down below and go to the Telesin store, well then when you go through the checkout, if you enter my code, which is AdventureTim10, you will get 10% off the price of purchase, which is a great deal. All right, deal number 4 is this awesome tripod and selfie stick from ULANZI. It's actually 55 inches long when fully extended, which is around about 140 centimeters, and I'm a massive fan of this. It has 6 different height settings that you can use it for, and it also has this awesome little magnetic top that you can actually take off, so you can put your action camera here on top and then quickly and easily pop it in like that. It comes in at around about 29 or 30 centimeters long, which is around about 12 inches, so you can easily chuck it in your backpack. I love this product. I take it absolutely everywhere. It's super easy to use, it's compact. Did a review of this in one of my videos earlier on this year, and during this Black Friday period, it's 20% off, so you can get this for around about 32 Australian dollars, which is a great deal. All right, deal number 5 this Black Friday season is this awesome little camera cage here from PGYTECH. Now this is for the GoPro Hero 9 through to the GoPro 13. It's made of aluminium. It's super easy to put your camera inside of it, and it protects it from drops and scratches and that kind of thing. One thing I really like about this product is, one, it has like a cold shoe mount, so if you want to put a light on there, or maybe a receiver for a microphone. But also, check this out, it has a 1/4 inch mount here on the bottom, so even your old cameras, you can put them inside one of these cages here, and you can attach it to a regular tripod. There's another 1/4 inch mount here on the side. It's got these cool little buttons on it too, which you can press to open the doors. So now you can see we've got easy access to the battery if you want to change the battery. Also the USB-C there as well. And yeah, massive fan of this product here from PGYTECH. I did a review of this earlier on in the year. I'll put a link to this video down below. But this Black Friday period, you can get this for about 20% off or 20% off its regular price. So right now it's retailing for around about 51 Australian dollars, which is a great deal if you want to have a great product to protect your GoPro. Okay, so I've got a bonus deal for you right now. If you're in for a slightly different type of camera, like a dash cam, well, I can't go past the DDPAI N5 dual dash cam. It's got 4K resolution on the front camera, 1080 on the back. It's got built-in 32 gig of memory, so you can record your footage as you're cruising along, night vision, voice control, and a whole lot more. I made a video about this recently, and this Black Friday period is going for 150 Australian dollars, which is a great deal for a dual dash cam with high quality resolution like that. I'll put a link to that one in the description down below. Black Friday is a great time of year if you're looking for a great deal before the silly season, or also called the festive season. If you found any great deals on action cameras or accessories or mounts, let me know. I'd love to hear about them and maybe promote them through this channel as well over the next few days. If you want to learn more about action cameras and mounts and accessories, well, what you need to do is click this video over here next. Like this video here, it's packed with some great information that I'm sure that you'll love. Once again, thanks for your company. I do appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.